Namaste everyone, I am Arjun.
I am Nijit.
I'm Shri Uma.
I'm Adya.
I'm Srikar.
We are the waste warriors.
We have made an innovative model to dispose leachate in a cost-efficient way and also by not causing any harm to environment. We named it as Leachate Terminator. This is our model.
Now let's start off by knowing what is leachate. Leachate is the toxic liquid which is formed when water like rainwater seeps through garbage in places like landfills. It picks up many harmful substances like metals, chemicals and small bits of waste which creates a polluted liquid which can harm the environment if it leaks into groundwater or rivers. Leachate is a harmful substance which has many bad effects if not disposed properly. On to the next topic. How is India affected by leachate? Leachate is as we know by now, is the toxic liquid which is found in landfills and has many bad effects and affects India in many ways due to rapid urbanization, huge population growth and inadequate waste management systems.
With over 1.2 billion people generating massive amounts of municipal solid waste, MSW estimated around 62 million tons annually. India relies heavily on open dump sites rather than engineering landfills. This leads to leachate leakage, contaminating groundwater and surface water also, and soil and air, while threatening public health and ecosystems. To resolve this problem, our group Waste Warriors, under the guidance of Lakshmi Sujata ma'am, have come up with a solution where we can dispose leachate both cost efficiently and by not causing any harm to environment. The aim of this project is to prevent environmental damage and to reduce and reuse water, to reduce costs and waste and to fight climate change.
The principle behind this project is to capture, clean and neutralize the pollutants in leachate to protect water, soil and people's health while turning waste into something very useful. Apparatus. Biochar bricks. Biochar bricks are special types of bricks made out of biochar, which is a type of charcoal created by burning organic things like wood, crop waste and manure with a little bit of oxygen with materials like soil, clay and cement. Then we use garbage, which is the waste material that is thrown out after being used. Then we use water hyacinth. Water hyacinth is a free-floating aquatic plant native to South America, particularly the Amazon basin. It is one of the world's most fastest growing plants and is not only a beautiful ornamental plant but also a notorious invasive weed. Then we use 2 transparent PVC pipes, 2 plastic containers and most importantly leachate. Now over to Adya.
Working. Phase 1. The dirty leachate seeps to the garbage. This leachate then flows to the biochar bricks. These biochar bricks act like a sponge trapping all the harmful chemicals and metals. This process removes the most harmful chemicals present. Phase 2. The water that comes from the bricks is cleaner but still not pure. This leachate from the bricks moves on to an area where there are mats. We have put plants on top of the floating mats right on top of the filtered leachate. Phase 3. The roots of these plants hang down into the water. These plants work on the pre-filtered leachate and suck out the remaining pollutants and metals that the biochar bricks might have missed.
Acknowledgement. Leachate terminators like biochar bricks and water hyacinth are eco-friendly ways to stop toxic leachate from garbage dumps that are harmful to India's soil and water. Conclusion. Leachate terminators like biochar bricks and water hyacinth are powerful, low-cost ways to tackle India's leachate crisis. They clean the toxic liquid from garbage dumps, protecting water from millions, saving soil for farming and fighting with climate change. With India's huge supply of farm waste and fast-growing water hyacinth, these solutions can grow big but need more factories and awareness. By turning garbage into a tool for good, leachate terminators offer hope for cleaner and healthier India. Thank you.
Thank you.